Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and good morning. I am an English teacher, Miss Sidra. This is Cambridge Global English for grade 5, week 12 and it's 11 July 2024. Dear students, get ready for lecture number 4 and take out page number 57. Today's topic is will. First we define it. Look at use of English box will. We use will to express what we tell about what we believe or know will happen in the future. For example, I'll receive my first gift. My mom will make a big birthday cake. I won't have a big party. So will is used for future, that what is going to happen in your future and what your idea is related to your future. And what do you think you are going to do in your future? Will is used to say that something is expected to happen in the future. For example, tomorrow will be party. My mom will paint henna designs on my hand. I will wear a beautiful dress. People won't see me as a little girl anymore. Once is a short form of will not. So dear students, you have to fill 5 blanks in exercise number 6 with will, plus there are some verbs given here in yellow box. I will read for you. Read yellow box first. Be, receive, celebrate, be, make, wear. Question number 6 is complete the sentences with the correct verbs and will. I dish my first fast with a party for my family and friends. I will celebrate my first fast. My mom dish paratha bread for me. My mom will make paratha bread for me. I dish gifts from the guest. I will receive gifts from the guest. I dish special jewelry for the celebration. I will wear special jewelry. It will be really good fun. So dear students, there are some exercise given in your activity book, so please open it. Take out page number 45. Question number 4, use of English. Write questions and answers about Jack's next birthday. You have to arrange the words have and party. Will Jack have a party? No, he won't. Won't, I have already told you, it's a short form of will not. Will Jack go to cinema? No, he won't. Will Jack get presents? Yes, he will. Will Jack have special meal? No, he won't. Will Jack have a birthday cake? Yes, he will. So this is all about for the topic will. And the next question is write about how you will celebrate your next birthday. For my next birthday, I will probably, you have to complete this. This is your homework. Question number 5 is your homework. You have to complete this in your activity book. So thank you so much. This is all about for today. Allah Hafiz.